Dear friends, let us make a luxurious and tempting mango roll, which is a feast to both your eyes and taste buds. For making this roll, we need 5 egg whites, 3/4 cup gluten-free maida replacer, 2/3 cup castor sugar, 1/3 for egg yolks, 1/3 for egg whites, 1/4 cup milk, 3 tablespoon oil, tasteless is better, half tablespoon gluten-free baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 5 egg yolks. Now for making the filling which will go inside the roll, we need 4 egg whites or 2 cup whipped cream. Whipped cream I am not using because it has lots of vegetable oil. 1 cup castor sugar, 1 to 1.5 cups mango puree, 180 grams butter. We will make the buttercream filling first. Take 4 egg whites on a double boiler and with a hand blender whisk it on simmering water, not boiling, for at least 4 to 5 minutes, adding castor sugar in between till it doubles in volume and is glossy and heavy, as you can see. Take it out of the heat and add melted and cooled butter and whisk again for 2 minutes. Add mango puree and blend again. This will make the filling which will go inside the cake roll. Now fold it well and cover with cling film and keep in refrigerator till we are ready to use it. Now let us make the roll. Start whisking egg yolks and castor sugar till frothy. Next, mix milk, oil and vanilla essence and keep aside. Then mix gluten-free baking powder to gluten-free flour, sieve both of them and keep aside. After this, start whisking 5 egg whites with a hand blender or stand mixer till it froths up. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice, as I am adding, to stabilize this froth. Then start adding castor sugar little by little till it reaches stiff peak stage. Now stiff peak stage I am showing here, when it holds up the peaks which are formed, is the stiff peak stage. Now whip the egg yolk mix again and add the liquid ingredients and sieve dry ingredients to it and mix well with a whisk or fold it in. Now you will get such a thick mixture in this. Now fold this beaten stiff egg whites little by little, and as I find a steel whisk best for this, I have tried incorporating it with a spatula, but I find that steel whisk is much better. Incorporate the frothy mixture and finally you will get a very light and airy batter in which you yourself can see many air bubbles. Now this is how the final this will look like. Pour this airy batter onto a well-lined baking tray. Burst any big or uneven air bubbles. Spread it out in an even manner. Then burst any big, very large or uneven air bubbles which you can see. Your oven must be preheated at 170 degrees C before this. Now tap it and bake it at 170 degrees for 14 to 15 minutes. Take out and cool. Now you can see how flexible and how soft and airy this and light the cake roll has turned out to be. Now sprinkle icing sugar all over a fresh baking sheet and invert the baked roll onto this icing sugar. Now take out all the baking paper on which this cake was laid, and take out the mango buttercream filling from the fridge. Spread it all over the roll, leaving the last 1 inch horizontal strip, and roll it up and pour and spread rest of the filling on top. Now as it is liquidy at this stage, keep in fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours to set the shape. Then take out, decorate as you wish and cut slices out of this before serving to your friends. Now I am making, this is my own innovation. You may add slices of green mango and sprinkles, sparkles or anything you like on top of this and decorate as per your imagination. Cut slices out of this and serve it to your friends and family. No one will forget to compliment you on this recipe, that is my guarantee. Now please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more recipes. Thank you.